guys, for today's video, I have a mega yacht. And I'm going to be showing you my Rubik's Cube. I'm going to be showing you my Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
And the first Rubik's Cube, JJ just bought.
Show you his yacht.
Yo.
We're gonna do a dance.
JJ just bought this today, and it's pretty
Yesterday.
cool. You didn't tell me that. And it's pretty cool. I think. No way you're doing that dance again. And I think it's pretty satisfying and pretty cool. Next up, let's show you the 2x2 Rubik's Cube's brother. Next up is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's pretty cool, and see, look, it's almost the exact same as a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, but because the 3x3 Rubik's Cube is bigger.
Why would you want?
And that's all I need to say about this Rubik's Cube. The last Rubik's Cube.
Hi guys.
3x3. The last Rubik's Cube is also a 3x3, but it's pretty cool and stylish. And
This is how legends are made.
it's pretty easy to
Right now.
it's pretty easy to
through right now.
like that. It's pretty easy. It's like
I'm pancake.
and it's like really easy to solve like that, and that's really all I want to say about this video. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like it. And if you enjoyed this, please stop. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit the bell and leave a comment. Bye bye. Took us like 20 tries.